I hate to break it to you, but you are likely quite average, all things considered. Welcome back to the Quant Plus YouTube channel. While there are likely a few things or skills you may pride yourself on, there are also likely other activities that you are exceptionally poor at. Thus, by considering both your strong points and your weak points together, it is reasonable to conclude that you are quite average, as demonstrated by this report card. This brings us to the concept of today's video, central tendency. If you are given a set of data or a group of people to analyze and describe, and you were told to summarize your findings with one number, you would likely pick a number close to the middle as your best guess. In statistics, we have three common measures that help us achieve this goal. So visually, right, we'd want to aim for this point or this person. Our three measures of central tendency are the mean, or the average value calculated by adding the values together and dividing by the number of numbers, as demonstrated here. This is the arithmetic mean. Other ways of calculating the mean exist, but we will not be touching upon them, and they're far less applicable, let's put it that way. Second is our median. This is the value such that 50% of your data is below this point and 50% of the data is above it. And third, we have mode, which is our most frequently occurring value. Returning to our example from the last video, in which we discussed the color of cars on the road, the mean and median would not apply yet. The mode does make sense in that context. In general, the mean and median only apply to quantitative data, whereas the mode can apply to both quantitative and qualitative data. So, as an example, imagine that we're looking at these 5 cars. 2 red cars, a green car, a white car, and a black car. As we were discussing last video, there's no inherent ordering to colors, and there's no inherent numerical value associated to them. So the only measure that really makes sense is the mode. Here, since we have 2 reds and 1 of each of the other colors, our mode is red. For a second example, let's imagine you're studying the heights of men and observe the following heights: 1.75 meters, 1.9 meters, 1.85 meters, 1.85 meters, and 1.7 meters. So first, to calculate the average, we'll add 1.75 plus 1.9 plus 1.85 plus 1.85 plus 1.7 and divide by 5. And when we do this, we get a value of 1.81 meters. Next, to find the median, we'll write the numbers in ascending order, meaning smallest to largest. And from here, we'll see that the middle value is right here because we have 2 values to the left and 2 values to the right. Therefore, our answer for our median is 1.85 meters. And lastly, we can see that we have 2 values of 1.85 and 1 of each of the other values, so our most frequently occurring value, or our mode, is 1.85 meters. If you enjoy this content, please support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. If you're interested in one-on-one tutoring, please follow the link in the description. Have a great day.